guys, welcome back to another Fibers in the Wind video. And in today's video I figured we would do a vlog, and I figured we would make a fruit salad. So for the fruit salad I have this really good whipped strawberry yogurt, and then we have this Yoplait original. I got a Granny Smith apple, a banana, and some strawberries, and then we're going to use this to chop it up. Let me know which one of these you would put in there if you were to make it. We got the whipped strawberry, and then we just have the regular strawberry and banana. So we're gonna do that, and then I figured we would go find a nice fun spot to go crochet because the weather is so nice. So stay tuned for later in the video. This will be a crochet vlog, so let's just get started. I'm gonna go ahead and make my fruit salad, and then I will show you what it looks like when we're done. You guys, look how great this fruit salad is. It is looking mighty delicious. I just put a whole apple, banana, strawberries, and then I ended up not going with this one. I ended up doing the whipped strawberry one. And at first I thought that I would need to use both, but I don't. It's plenty covered. It melted pretty much right in. It looked like it was going to be too whipped and not enough, but it literally melted right in. So I'm going to go ahead and eat this. And then I am gonna set up a little crochet area and get crocheting and do that today. And that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. Don't forget to like, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss a video, and subscribe to this channel. And let me know if you like this kind of content. This is what we are working with this like sagey green color. So I am crocheting a brand new pattern that hopefully works out. This doesn't have a name for it yet. It is a pattern that I'm designing. It is going to be like a cropped tank top situation. I'm only gonna have possibly enough yarn, if I even do, to crochet the sample. So I do plan to hopefully make a tutorial on my channel for this if it works out. And if I do, I will have to substitute it with a completely different yarn, different type. But that is pretty much it. I'm just gonna keep doing this, and then I guess I'll come back when I have made some progress, I guess. Hey guys, I'm in the car with a friend, and we're running some errands, and while doing that, we got Dairy Queen. I got the Blizzard. It is the Butterfinger Blizzard. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Hey guys. It's been a couple days, and I just wanted to let you know what I was up to as my project besides me that I'm going to be working on. I also decided that I would partake in some lunch. So I've got me some cupped pepperoni pizza left over. Also, apologize if the angles are not right. I'm using a phone stabilizer and trying to figure out the angles and everything and get it right. It does stabilize it for you, but I'm trying to figure out like how to hold it to show what I'm trying to show on camera. So anyways, that's what I'm going to be doing. Possibly going to be going live on TikTok and maybe some crochet outside. It's a beautiful, warm, sunny day. I really like it. I just recently took a shower, so my hair is wet. Also, I have a question. When you guys are eating pizza, what do you dip your pizza in? Like, do you do marinara? Like, what do you do? I personally, I don't know about you guys, I'm a ranch girly. I love ranch. It's delicious. Hidden Valley is my particular favorite. Do you do tartar sauce? Do you do ketchup? Like, what's your dipping sauce of choice? Ranch is great. Marinara is also good, but come on. In my personal opinion, ranch is just better for pizza. Marinara is more for like breadsticks and stuff. I will eat my lunch, come back to you guys, and show you all what I've got going on for this project that I'm working on. Sneak peek a little bit. I'm so excited to show you more in depth, and hoping that I will have a tutorial for this up and running in the next several weeks on my channel. So stay tuned for that. You guys, I'm in bed crocheting, and I just wanted to, hop on here since this is a vlog. It's my first crochet vlog, really, so I just wanted to tell you, I'm designing a pattern for a really fun summer tank top. This is the left bust area piece, working on the right side to match. It's a cropped tank top. I've probably mentioned in the previous clips that I'm doing cropped for this design because this is all the yarn I have left of this particular yarn, and it's discontinued and you can't buy it anymore. However, in the instructions that I will be putting in the video that I'll be filming, it will be easily adjustable to whatever size and length you so desire. I'm just trying to be resourceful with the yarn that I have. So we're crocheting this. I don't even know what row I'm on, but it's going to match the left bust side. And then I'm planning on doing an edging that goes down and around this strap as well, and all the way around this entire piece. And then the back side's going to be identically the same, and then just seamed together. So I thought I would just give you an in-depth look at a new pattern I'm designing, and it's so cute and fun, and I just absolutely love it. I don't even know if I'll have enough to make a second panel. If not, I'll have to redo it in a different yarn. So this is what we have going on. So I'm doing shaping on the inside of the bust area, not on the outside. So basically what I'm doing is the front side of the fabric is getting decreases at the beginning of the row, and the back side of the fabric is getting decreases on the back side of the row to create a look like this. And then they'll be shaping to make it possibly a smaller neckline and what have you. So it's so beautiful and sunny here, and I just want to thank you guys for tuning into this vlog and watching me. I'm new to this, I'm new to editing, so please be patient. Eventually I'll get skilled enough at this where I won't have to apologize. And if you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. I would love to have you, and I just would love to have you watching the video. And also, I'm so excited to share my crochet creations with you. This is going to be a great top. I hope it works out. And post your comments below. Do you think I'm going to beat the yarn chicken? Because I've made this much so far. I just have to make this side match this side. Do at least one row of single all the way around the entire project. Make a whole nother panel and seam it together. And this is all the yarn I have left. And you cannot buy more of this. So you think I'm gonna win yarn chicken? So let me know in the comments. I had a lovely day hanging out with my mom and her dog and my brother and his dog. We went off island today. We went shopping, and I just thought I'd share with you what we did a little bit. So I thought I'd do a quick little yarn haul to kind of show you what I got. First, before we do the yarn haul though, I wanted to show you the project that we have been working on in this video that I'm not done with, that I might possibly not be able to finish because I might maybe be losing some yarn chicken. I haven't decided yet. But this is a pattern for a crochet tank top I'm designing. I will be going around the edge of the neck to make it a little smaller. It's a cropped version, easily extendable into a longer length. I was just doing it cropped to, not use up too much of the yarn. I'm working on the second panel. All I have left is this. And because you can't buy this yarn anymore because it's been discontinued, I was wondering, what's a good comparable yarn that would be good and comparable to replace that, because I'm hoping to do a crochet tutorial and I need more yarn to be able to make a second one. So here's what I got at Hobby Lobby. Let me just take the bag, take everything out of the bag. These. I got 5 of these. I love this cotton, 100% cotton in the color rosy. So I got 5 of these. I decided it's always good to have a staple, so I ended up getting, I love this cotton in the color white, 2 of these, just because I might want to do a white edging for the top or not. I haven't decided, but I just thought it was good to have a good staple. Now these are 3.5 ounces each. Every other week at Hobby Lobby, I guess they do 30% off of all yarn. So one week they do 30% off of all yarn, the next week they do fabric 30% off, and they switch back and forth apparently, which I didn't know. So again, 5 of these, 2 of these, and then you're gonna love this. You're gonna love this. 4 of these beautiful yarns. This is also, I love this cotton in the color brights. So I got 4 of these. Five of these and 2. So 4 of the variegated, 5 of the pinks, and 2 of the white. I saved a total of $13.20 compared to regular pricing, and that's a great deal to me. It was under $40 for all this yarn for 11 skeins, I think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Under $40 for 11 skeins. These ones, though, are only 3 ounces of yarn because it's a variegated color, I guess. And then the solid colors are 3.5, which is still less than the 5 ounces from the other cotton, but Google told me this was a comparable type of cotton yarn to the one discontinued that I am using for my current project. So this is so pretty. Like, look at that. Look at how pretty this yarn is, you guys. And even though this is not made to go for that project, it matches and would go well with this. So if I wanted to, I could pair it. And then of course white goes good with everything, I think, in my personal opinion. So that's what I got today. That's all I got. So that is what we did, and we had fun. We went and got Subway for lunch. It was really delicious, and it was really, really fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. On this channel, we do crochet and fiber art related vlogs, video tutorials, product reviews. Stay tuned for a product review on the I Love This Cotton yarn, the variegated at some point, and the solids. I will be doing a product review on these on my channel at some point. If you like that kind of content, please, I would love to have you subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. That would mean so much to me, mean the world to me. I've used these yarns once before, but I haven't really. It's been a long time, so I will be doing at some point a product review on these yarns. They're soft. They're so fun. I love them. Anyways, stick around if you like that kind of content. And don't forget to watch my video from last week, which was the pattern for my Field of Flowers dishcloth, an easy, beginner-friendly, quick project using a unique stitch I invented. So if you like this video, you'd possibly like that video. So go check out that video. And stay tuned for more product reviews, crochet-related vlogs, and pattern releases coming on my channel soon.